Hi everyone, my name is Arina. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your countertop texture by using AI Replace. Okay, so let's say first we need to select template, or you can have your own like photo or anything. I'm just going to use template. Okay, I'm using the kitchen area. So let's say I'm using this one. Okay, this is my kitchen. So let's say I want to replace my countertop texture. Okay, material map, I can upload one material, or you can just use for whatever we have already in the library. Okay, this one I upload. So this is the material map for my new texture for my countertop. Okay, replace target, I click to countertop and I click generate. Okay, once click generate, you will see this icon. So this one we need to wait for a while depending on the internet connection. Okay, so after they have done, you can see here, this is original image. You can see countertop here. Have changed to new countertop. It can be applicable to any of the template or any picture that you have for your kitchen or anything that is related to countertop. So that is how you use AI replace countertop. So that's all from me. Thank you.